Looking for the best drill bits for metal that really perform? Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you get better ideas about different kinds of products. Like the video and subscribe for more quick, reliable tool recommendations. Number 1. Drill America M42 Cobalt Drill Bit Set. After head-to-head testing in multiple materials, we selected Drill America's M42 Cobalt bits as our best drill bits for hardened metal and stainless steel. Manufactured according to National Aerospace Standard 907, the bits feature a 135-degree split point, which gives you a nice, steady, and productive drilling speed with less walking at startup. Of course, it's the quality of the M42 Cobalt blend that gave these bits impressive drilling performance and life compared to the other bits we tested. You can drill up to 30% faster than you can with conventional M2 high-speed steel bits. It also holds its edge better when you're drilling into hardened metals, stainless steel, or even titanium. That showed in our tests, where these bits seemed to melt through whatever we threw at them, and then asked for more. Number 2. DeWalt Pilot Point Titanium Drill Bits. While Cobalt is the way to go for hard metals, I like titanium options best for drilling in aluminum, copper, and other soft metals. The coating doesn't wear off too fast, and its higher lubricity makes quick work of these metal drilling applications. When you first look at DeWalt's Pilot Point titanium bits, it's understandable to be skeptical since the tick design is so different. However, when we tested it against other popular titanium bits, it proved to be the fastest by a significant margin. Even though the set is more expensive than standard titanium bits, it's not a huge premium, and the performance gains are worth spending a few extra dollars. No spin shanks helps to prevent bits from slipping, and a tapered web helps to increase durability helps to reduce breakage. A durable carrying case keeps bits organized and ready to go. Number 3. Bosch M42 Cobalt Drill Bit Sets. When it comes to finding good value for metal drilling bits, it's tempting to look to titanium or something like Spyder's Mach Blue bits. They can be effective in some metals, including mild steel. But if you're like me and come across hardened steel, even on occasion, Cobalt is still the way to go. Bosch has a set that's in a similar price range as Cobalt bits from other power tool brands, but has one big advantage: they're M42 Cobalt, not M35. With a 15-piece set around $41 and a 21-piece set around $73, they're more affordable, and you avoid the risk of a no-name Amazon brand without breaking the bank. The 15-piece set covers 1/16 to 1/2 inch bits. Spyder's Mach Blue set, around $35, only goes up to 3/8 inch and is a 10-piece set. With Bosch, you get more bits, a wider range, M42 Cobalt, and only pay about $6 more for the set. Number 4. Greenlee Cobalt Step Bits. If you're looking for Cobalt step bits for their longer life, take a look at Greenlee. Their made in the USA Cobalt step bits feature a split point tip that gets holes started notably faster than others, and a dual flute design that keeps the cutting speed high. Plus, a steam oxide finish helps these bits last longer than others. It's the best balance of speed and service life we've seen. The downside is that these premium bits are more expensive. A 3-piece set that includes number 1, number 3, and number 8 sizes is $239.99. Today, Greenlee is the most respected and trusted source for professional-grade tools when it comes to installing wire and cable. From hole making and bending to test and measurement, you can depend on Greenlee tools to outlast and outperform the competition every time. Number 5. DeWalt Impact Ready Titanium Nitride Step Bits. Choosing the best step bit requires you to choose between speed and service life. With the way pros, especially electricians, use these in the field, speed is usually the higher priority. With that mindset, DeWalt's titanium nitride step bits are my top choice. There are a couple of design elements that kick it up higher than other step bits we use. First, The titanium nitride coating is better at reducing friction and heat buildup on starts. Lower heat keeps the metal from hardening, so holes start quicker, and the titanium coating lasts longer than you might expect. If you want the longest bit life, Cobalt is your best bet. They can be a little harder to find, but we've had excellent results using Milwaukee's and Greenlee's Cobalt step bits.